Now let's unpack this amazing Canadian Social Studies all-inclusive box. You're going to love the resources inside. First of all, we have Canada My Country, which is the curriculum guide. It includes 28 read-aloud lessons, downloadable work pages, games, and more. If you haven't already, go back to the video about this curriculum. You'll get all the books included in the Social Studies bundle, the beautiful coffee table book titled Canada, the Scholastic Children's Atlas of Canada, Canadian flag, and Terry Fox. And again, I've done a description of those on that bundle book page. In the second section of the curriculum, you do an armchair trip across Canada to discover the land, which is why we use the photo book titled Canada. But you also, if you're actually on a trip, you would want to stop at some sites. And so we love this set of province books, and they're included in the box, one for each province and territory. They're written for 5 to 9-year-olds. You don't want to read these books cover to cover, but instead you want to jump around for interest as if you were on a trip. And they'll remain on your bookshelves for future reference over all the homeschool years. As well, you can also enjoy seeing various different animals with this animals bundle, also written for 5 to 9-year-olds. And finally, make the emotional connection with this beautiful set of picture books with amazing paintings and wonderful stories. If your child was in Nunavut, would they know not to cry outdoors? Every 3-year-old in Nook knows your tears will freeze on your cheeks. Just listen to Moshi in Sled Dog for Moshi. How can your children forget the Western Mountains when they almost go over a cliff with Stephen, but his sled dog saves him? That's a team like no other. You will also receive the tray puzzle of the map of Canada and the much-loved Professor Noggin's Geography of Canada game. So that's a look at our jam-packed Social Studies all-inclusive bundle that will keep your students busy reading and playing for hours. Sign up for our newsletter and check out the Facebook page for great information, specials, and free resources.